Hey, this is Lawson at Hendrick BMW. Today we're going to be pairing your BMW ID to your vehicle. So first you want to open up your My BMW app, log in, and then we're going to start the process. So now that we're on the home page of the app here, we're going to go to the bottom right corner that looks like a profile picture. We're going to click that. There's a settings button at the top right. We're going to go there, and then there's a button that says scan QR code, and it says scan in blue. We're gonna click that blue scan button, and then we're gonna click the white bar that says start scanning, and it's gonna pull up a scanner. Now that we're here, we're gonna go into your vehicle's iDrive system. So now that we got your app's QR code scanner all pulled up here, we're gonna go into the system. So on the vehicle, this is gonna be the home page. We're gonna go to your apps, and then in the top left corner, it's gonna be BMW ID. We're gonna click that there. Add BMW ID. It's gonna generate a QR code right here. We're gonna use your app to scan that QR code. And now it is going to link your app to the car, adding your profile to the vehicle. It's also, as you can see here, gonna link the key that you have to the vehicle, so any settings that you create during this process or after you pair your phone is essentially going to save to your key. So then we hit finish, and you are all set up. So that's what it would look like, and you are all good to go. So now that we have your app paired to the vehicle, this is what your screen should look like. So it'll have the vehicle, and then a little continue bar. If you're not seeing your vehicle and you already have a BMW, it might be up here in your garage with the other vehicles you have. So you just want to select that vehicle. We're gonna hit continue right here. We're gonna accept the terms, we're gonna agree. It might ask you to enter your address, but if you already have a BMW, it might not. We're gonna hit finish, and it's gonna look like this. We're just gonna update it by dragging down and letting go, and now it's gonna give you all the benefits of the app. You can lock the car, you can unlock the car, all sorts of things, honk your horn, etc. Right here it's gonna show you your fuel level, and then you can also do remote start, which is a great feature to have.